As of today, in the Commonwealth of Virginia, at least 690 persons have been reported as a fatality of an infection from SARS-CoV-2, commonly referred to as COVID-19, or a novel coronavirus, up 28 from the prior day. Virginia is approaching 7 times the number of deaths before they implemented a lockdown policy that was supposed to flatten the curve, but which has resulted in over half of the dead being the elderly, residing in nursing homes, a risk about which the World Health Organization and the Centers for Disease Control were fully aware, at least by the time of the First Amendment to the lockdown order, which was essentially a death sentence for your grandmother. Happy Mother's Day. On April 2nd, to avert this tragedy, as well as some others, we filed an action in the Circuit Court for the City of Alexandria. And on April 15th, the court denied our request for temporary injunctive relief on claims that our speculations were superseded by officially sanctioned public health policy. Are you surprised that you never heard about that court action in the press? We are not, because it's exactly what a communist would do. Would you be surprised to learn that the governor, the state health commissioner, the chairman of the state board of elections, and the mayor of the city of Alexandria have been evading the sheriff since April 2nd to avoid an appearance in the case, to avoid making a public statement that would hold them accountable for these deaths? We are not. Under the law, this is technically an obstruction of justice under 18 U.S.C. section 1512, a felony punishable by fine and up to 20 years in prison. The same provision of law with which the crime boss Al Capone was caught. And so on yesterday, we filed with Kelly Thomason, the Secretary of State for the Commonwealth of Virginia, an affidavit of service which will provide these fugitives of justice an opportunity to enter an appearance in court to present legal arguments in a fair trial before May 15th. In the event of their failure to respond, a default judgment will be issued in a declaratory action to publicly acknowledge that this murderous policy was not only unconstitutional, but known to be unconstitutional at the time it was promulgated, and will serve as a basis for any aggrieved party to seek legal recourse against the Commonwealth. My name is Major Mike Webb, and I am running for U.S. Congress with liberty, honor, and excellence. By God, we shall make this country great again. This advertisement was authorized by Mike Webb.